Alright, so you want to mint an NFT scratcher from DefiKings NFT Gaming ecosystem. Here we are on the biglottery.io. Just connect your wallet. You have three different options. We have the BNB option, we have Matic, and we have PayPal. We click on mint. We have Lucky Mega 7s or currently our DFK skins. Lucky 7s are for $100. Our DFK options are $125 right now. Prices are subject to increase. You just click on the Matic mint here, and then you go click on that through to your wallet. I don't have any funds. You'll pay the BNB or Matic. Matic's currently $116. If you need to go to the BNB chain, click over here. I just switch over to the BNB chain. I'll have to refresh it. And then you see I can pay in BNB. Same thing, I click on that. My wallet will open up. If you want to use our fiat option through PayPal, it will be airdropped to you if you use your PayPal fiat or if you're minting in BNB, because this is a native poly NFT. If you mint in Matic, it'll go directly into your wallet. So click on the airdrop here. It'll open up to PayPal. You enter your email address, pay through PayPal, Visa debit card, and you can use your fiat to get there. The scratcher tickets will be actually available, and I have a couple. I'll show you ones from my wallet. When you're scratching a ticket, they go into the rotation. As you can see, I've earned $16 from my ticket right now. This is the code right here that you'll share with your friends and family, biglottery.io, and they can scratch your own ticket. Otherwise, the tickets go into the rotation as people randomly are chosen for them. So that's how you mint your tickets for our DFK scratchers, NFT boxing scratchers. If you have any questions about that, DefiKings.io is our website. Click on and get into our Telegram. It's a little more active. We also have a Reddit, and NFTBoxingKings has a Telegram as well. But if you get into the DeFi Kings website here, and you can actually get onto our Telegram, and if you have any questions, we'll help you out with minting our scratchers and earning some passive income.